So this is lesson 4 on the Does It Matter booklet, pages 25 and 26, and homework revision, metals and non-metals. So make sure you've numbered your booklet. As I've said in the previous lessons, I've forgotten to number the booklets. If you look back at lesson 1, I show you what page you need to start with and what the end page is. It goes from page 1 to 54. So the first page you need to look at, in what ways are metals different to non-metals? Try and complete from your knowledge already. So think about what a metal looks like. Think of a spoon that you'd use to eat your cereal, and think of a non-metal like your toothbrush, which is plastic. So think about how they're different. How do they look different? How do they behave differently? Then I'd like you to fill in this table and watch the video of metal versus plastic, which is by this lesson on Moodle. And I would like you to fill in this table. You can also go back once you watch the video and write down things that are different between metals and non-metals that you found out from the video. Now it says at the bottom of this slide, conclusion goes here. So what I want you to do is I want you to write about what you found out underneath that table in your book. To help you, so at the bottom of page 26, what I'd like you to do is write a conclusion to what you have found out about metals and non-metals. And I'd like you to include the words conductor, insulator, lustrous, bendable, dense and sonorous in your conclusion. You might have to look up a few of those words. You could start with, I have found out that non-metals do not, but metals do, or the other way around, or you can start it in a different way. But what have you found out this lesson between metals and non-metals? Now this is not a particularly long lesson, so after you've done that, I want you to find your spring term homework booklet that was posted to you. And I would like you to do homework 9. Then, as a revision, I would like you to do homework 1, which is on the kinetic theory, but it's going to help you to recap on some of your learning. So homework 9 looks like this. There's 2 pages for that. That's on metals. And then I would like you to do homework 1, which I think is a few slides and a few pages long. So there's homework 1, 3 pages there I think, and then this is the last page. So that's lesson 4 for year 9.